Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I have a vague idea of what I want to do. And it is to use this 9 by 12 inch canvas to experiment some. I've got a 45-degree angle and I think I'm going to use it as a swipe card. It's acetate. I've also got Anita's white metallic. And for the first time ever, I'm going to use it as a background color. I've got to mix up some more. It'll be the end of my pouring medium, oh no! Anyway, I'm going to put those scissors away and grab my OXO omelet turning spatula and figure that that is more than enough paint to create some kind of reaction. And I wish I had not put all the rest of the paint colors I'm going to use next to me because I can't swivel my turntable. I might even have used more of this than I would need. But this is definitely the first time I've done this. And I want to use some enamel. And I know black and white will often sell. I don't know what's going to happen. I kind of want to, yeah, I got a little extra paint. I think I'm going to put it back in the bottle, which is the wonderful thing about these spatulas. You can do stuff like that. I've got a little extra paint now, but I'm not wasting any. So, I am going to just start in the weirdest way possible, assuming I can get any paint color to come out. Which is not possible. Not until I clear the tip. And this spatula is going in the bucket, so I don't come back and find it covered with paint later, which I have done twice now, and I hope I never do again, because it's really a pain in the butt. Alright, so when I went in, all these paint colors were fine. I see that thing. Goodbye thing. So, not having a clue really what I'm doing, I'm just going to do it. Really? That's not what I intended right there. I got too much paint flaking off my hands. Who knows what this is going to turn out like. I kind of figure if I use colors I love, that I can't go wrong. And who knows what the background is going to, what the white metallic is going to happen, what's going to happen with the background. I'm going to use some red opal. The last color I used was the purple flash from Folk-Art. The red opal is from, actually the red opal is a Treasures. I think it's a Folk-Art actually. Do I dare? Oh boy. Slightly strange colors. Still attractive. I hope. So now, do I see that I want anything else in there? And I kind of do. I'm going to be belligerent. Might be just wrong to do this. Now, no matter what else I'm going to do, I want some enamel, and I've got it right here. No, I still want the turquoise. I could put a skewer in here, but I really want to see what's going to happen. Let me grab my little dish that I left out here too long by itself. Now, if I go this way, I'm going to bring this as close to the edge of the tile as I can. So I'll just move that up. I want to go across. This is so strange. Do I want to go that way? No, I want to go across, but it's not going to be right. I'm just going to go around. You know what? I didn't put any enamel down there. That was close. I knew something was wrong. That's better. I still want to cut this in half. Wait, where are my scissors? Get this other thing out of the way. I just put them down here. So let's do that. Let's cut this in half. So it's half the width. So we can go back and forth a few times. Boy, I'm nervous. I'm so nervous. Can't go that way. I have to go this way. And I'm just going to use all of that paint right along the edge and knock it off in my little dish. I'm going to move my colors out of the way because I see something good is happening there. And I'm going to go around, like I said, in all the directions. And hope it continues to make interesting patterns. I'm just knocking off most of that paint. Now I'm going to go back in the other direction. I am. But I need more black. Okay, there's a good point. Let's put the enamel down where we stopped. Oh, I just wasted some paint. Let's use all of the paint on that card. Whoops, that was not part of the plan. I wasn't thinking. Don't blow into heavy paint. I use GAC 800 in all of my paint colors to prevent cracking. I'm just going to stick with this one side right here right now, but I'm going to have to continue on with my application. I see that. Oh well, whatever. It's going to be different. I'm going to have paint I can pick up. As a matter of fact, I might do that right now. Just dip my little swipe card right in there and then tap along the edge. Because that way, if you do it early on, you have a chance for the colors to blend. I don't think I should worry about that. I am going to keep doing what I was doing. I'm getting ready to do some blooms one of these days. So this might be getting me ready for that. So I wiped some of that off and I kept some. It occurs to me I could have probably tried my purple enamel too. You got to remember not to wipe off all the color. It's kind of cool. It's an interesting idea. It's not completely a formed idea totally yet, but I like it. Pretty sure most ideas lead to other ideas, which is not a bad thing. Hopefully you can see all that. Take some of the residuals, bring them back, scrape off the rest, flip my card over so it's a little less schmutzy. Keep scraping off the card and dab my finger right in there. It's funny how there's cells here but not anywhere else particularly. Makes me want to do something weird. Let's see if it works. Kind of like the, ooh, I kind of like adding a little bit of gold. That's not bad. I could probably do that all the way down. I don't think the size of the card didn't matter. I have another painting sort of like this. Well, nothing really like it, but similar pattern. I'm liking how the cells are developing. I like my other card better. Wow, I'm surprised. Gets more paint off. I like adding that extra black in and the extra gold. That seemed to help with the cells I was not super happy with. And when I get a nice little puddle of paint on that card, I can just sort of go down and look at the sides. So that's pretty cool. I think I like that. Anywhere I don't have paint, I'm just going to dip into my little leftovers dish and use my little acetate card as a paintbrush. Tapping as opposed to pulling, although if you pull, you know, whatever. I could do one of these with a skewer. I just need to get my long pan with some extra color in there. I see one more spot that I wanted to fix. I actually see two more spots I want to fix. But this one's going to get another color. There, that's cool. And the paint I just added might resuscitate the paint I was about to lose. So, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard saying thanks for sharing my videos. Thanks for visiting my Facebook page, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, where you can find other students if you're interested. This may keep developing. Where did I put my torch? Right there. Let's bring this back a little to center. Let's see if there's anything we need to tap along the edge to blend so the canvas doesn't stand out. There, I'm not unhappy with that at all. That's a good experiment. I think my torch is almost gone. I torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Sometimes we release patterns. I see stuff that looks like canvas right there. So I'm going to take my paint, and even though they're kind of interesting patterns, I don't want holes in my... Of course, that metallic Anita's was under there. But I don't mind that at all. So, there. Whether I should have or not, I did it because I can. That is the name of my first book. Under Show More on the link tree. Available on Amazon right next to my second book, called Unlimited Possibilities, which is how I feel about fluid acrylics. Good camouflage. I'm going to clean my little wedges by wiping them off on my Lolafie silicone mat, which I find very handy. I've used all of the residuals and skins that came off it the other day to cut up and make a collage, which I just published the video for. Actually, it's a twofer. Keep your eye out for that. If you're looking for more videos, I have over 1,360 videos, and you can find them on the end screens. Excuse me. You can find them on the playlists, not creative playlists. The end screens are where you can find the exhibition video. And the exhibition video will show you what the monthly drawing prize winners' prizes are, as well as an exhibition video, which is pretty cool. And if you want to be part of that drawing, find PayPal or Patreon. The icons are also, they're not just under the link tree, they're on my channel header. And I will send you a receipt. I'm just looking for things that bother me. Keep the pattern from being completely what I want it to be. And it's pretty abstract, so I should stop fussing. That's the truth. Should learn to live with the perfection of imperfection. And I'm going to torch again one more time before I go in. And I love the cells I got. Yeah, I know, I'm still doing it and I need to stop. Alright, so thank you for the thumbs up. I really appreciate the thumbs up. I love your comments. Thank you so much for keeping my morale boosted. Thank you for the contributions that have kept me painting since 2018. Actually, it was a lot after that, but I still thank you very much. I have Teespring clothing underneath the video if you've noticed, and there are Oliver print t-shirts and leggings there and lots of other stuff. FineArtAmericaandPixels.com or the Shop Now button will take you there from Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more. on Facebook, and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fancy Collectors is where I have the edited, so far so good artworks from YouTube videos. So I'm actually pretty happy about this, and I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I sell my artwork. So if you're interested, my email address is directly below the Linktree link, and underneath the video you will find the paint pouring recipe and the way I do it. And you will also find, what else? Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links on the Linktree. They used to be under the description, but they're not anymore. Everything's on the Linktree, pretty much. If you need to have a question answered, feel free, just ask me, and I will get back to you as soon as I can with an answer. I love you guys. There's almost 87,000 of you. There may actually be 87,000 of you by now. If I have any little holes while the paint is still wet, I'm just going to stick my fingers in the edges and draw down the paint that's there, and it's pretty well covered, and I'm happy to say I'm really happy you guys were here to join me for this. This was a different kind of a swipe, and I wanted to try it, so I did, and you helped. You inspire me so much. Really you do. Okay, I know somebody's screaming at me, stop putting your fingers in there. I can hear you. I see one more spot on my edge that needs to be covered. And now I am done. And I love you guys. I hope you come again. Look on the community board for tomorrow's video. Look on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery appreciation group for tomorrow's video. My videos post at midnight and 12:30 pretty much now. And if you're interested in a channel of mine with no commercials, go to Phoenix Rising Priscilla Batzell Art. I don't know how long it'll be there, but it'll be there as long as I can manage to get videos there. So you guys take care of each other and take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell, I said this already, in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, saying, I will see you anon. Sometime soonish, hopefully. Bye. I love you.